Oh, shit. Wait. I don't know how much oh, my God.
Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy D.B.Y.D. L Beach.
And this is your boy Lambo's World. How you doing? How you living?
So right now, well, we'll show you a clip later, but we just got done at a car meetup. There's the burnouts, donuts and all that, but somebody's speeding right there. But 5-0 showed up, so right now I'm about to head to the next location. This is an intro video. Many more videos to come on the family channel. Hope to see you soon. Peace.
Yeah. It's ready. Tell them stop. Oh. Have good tires. Have good tires.
Damn, y'all.
Damn, 5-0 showed up.
5-0 pulled up. Gotta head out of here right now. Shit, I don't know if y'all can see them right now. Right there.
Probably can't.
Shut this whole event down.
Yeah, that's alright though.
No cops say hating.
Where them niggas going? Them niggas all going the same direction.
Shit, we figure out.
Yeah. That's my boy Shakir right there.
Oh shit. I don't think she can. Right now I'm going to head to Apex, another spot. Catch y'all soon.
Alright guys, so we're at the next location right now. And they're starting to swing their cars and everything right now. Ooh, snap. Let's see. F, still ugly. But who cares? So you know, we up in here, we about to get lit.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, everybody's starting to pull up now, like, everybody. Yeah. Yep, cop kicked us out from where we was at last time, but here's one thing you don't know. When you drive out the city, it's a different story. y'all, no lie. Nigga, I got scared because my car was right here. That nigga was so close to my shit.
Yeah, that's what that shit too.
I got so scared. That a U-Haul? That a U-Haul? That's a motherfucking It's a goddamn U-Haul. This how you know this shit lit. When you get a damn moving storage company out here. Hell yeah. Rented the damn thing for $20 and he out here swinging. Come on, swing the damn truck. I want to see this now. Oh, shit. No, he ain't. No, he not. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's how. He came here with a $20 truck. He said, damn, I want to fuck in my car, so let me go rent a truck for $20. That's a smart idea. Where the closest U-Haul at? I think he messed up the differential, y'all. Because one tire was not spinning the whole time. I think he... Shit. Bruh, he just fucked up the differential in that shit. So now he's paying more than just $20 right now. He just fucked up the differential. He just fucked up the differential. That shit ain't turning. Oh shit! Oh, an axle. An axle. Oh my gosh! No man, stop! Stop, bro. Take it back to you.
You want me bad as fuck? Take it to our car. What you moving?
Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Oh shit! Wait! Oh! Oh shit! Wait! Oh my god! You gotta take that back to U-Haul, man. You gotta take that bitch back to U-Haul. That bitch is fucked. Hey, hold up. Wait, scoot that way, motherfucker. Whoa, he was definitely way too close to my car, bro. Hold up. Way too close to my damn car. Hold up. Bro, I don't know what the hell was going on. All I know is this. Shit. Hey everybody, so thank you for watching our first vlog on our channel together. So yeah, so probably many more to come, and that night was actually pretty crazy.
It was.
Man, there's things I couldn't get on footage because my phone died. I apologize. A fight broke out, and then people started running around in the ditch down there. I was like, whoa.
The U-Haul truck broke down.
Oh yeah, I think I got that on tape. If I do, I'm gonna throw it in there. But yeah, the U-Haul truck, man, all I gotta
Somebody
say
ran
is,
out of gas all the way out there.
oh yeah, somebody ran out of gas, man. So him and his girl are stuck. I'm like, that was pretty dumb. Oh man, that was pretty funny, man.
Unfortunately, we can't show you EDC getting set up out in the speedway because phone died.
Oh, yep. So yeah, so now we back home. But anyway, thanks for watching our video. Oh, make sure you like, subscribe, and also comment, and make sure you hit that notification. Trust me, do it. You'll be pleased. Please do it. And I know I'm looking crazy, ugly. Don't worry, I'm gonna get a cut soon. Don't worry. Don't play me. Don't play me.
Don't play us.
Yeah, man, you got your cut. I don't know what you talking about.
I think I should recut.
Okay, I can see, but still. But thank you guys, and welcome to our channel. See you later.